Greetings. Well, today I have some organization to do, but before I can do that, I need to make a tool. So we're going to do we're going to do a quick and dirty hook, just like this one. I'm going to use this bar. I tried to do this video earlier, but apparently I forgot to hit record where I was supposed to. So, it ended up being a mess. But this time, we're going to pull it out, do it pretty quick, and go from there. I'll show you how I turn this into this. Let's get to it. Alright, first things first, we're going to square this tip. We're going to heat it up again, and then all there's to it is just put a tip on it, and what we're going to do is we're going to break it to an octagon, and then gradually we're going to make it round. Alright, we're going to put a tip on this gradually. Now we're going to break the corners. I'm just going to roll it around, trying to make it nice and round. Another couple of heats should be good. There we go. Now we're just going to just keep rolling it, going hammering away nice, light taps. All we want to do is make it round. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just going on my rafters. Alright, we're going to draw the tip out just a touch more. Just do a couple of 45-degree angle strikes right down on it, so it's like that. Well, it's good and hot, and it should give it a nice point. There we go, 45-degree angle. There we go. Nice round point. Almost like a center punch. Now what I'm going to do is just bend this a little bit over one way, like so. Do it a little bit more. What's really nice about this plain steel is it's not very particular. I could probably forge this without any heat at all. It just makes it so much nicer. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to heat up this end, and we're going to poke a hole in it just in case I ever want to anchor it to one of the rafters or 2x4 or something like that. Alright, let's do it. There we go. And it's nice right here, and we're just going to flatten it out. And next, we're just going to take this, punch a hole right up in there, just so we can stick a nail in it later on if we feel like it. Alright, cool beans. Only need a little hammer for that. Put this right here. tip got a little rounded, so it's skipping all over on me. That's okay. It'll work. It's just going on my rafters. No one's going to see it. There we go. I'm going to hit the back end of this. Now we're, you can see the circle. Almost out. Bring her out. Come on. Out you go, plug. Punch it on out. Now I gotta heat it up one more time. There we go. Just gonna take this, poke that poker right down in there. A couple hits should do it. Why isn't that coming out? Alright, well. Wants to come out. No big deal, we'll get her out. Alright. No big deal, that was just the hole in it. This needs to be opened up. This needs to be right there. The hole, the problem with that I had with the hole was it just wasn't quite all the way through with the punch, so there's just a little tiny flimsy film that was holding it together, but I got it out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try and I'm going to heat this up again. We'll straighten this all out here in a minute, but right now I'm just going to take these and we'll make there we go. And that should do the trick. There we go. That'll hang right over a 2x4 pretty easy. Now all I have to do is make the hook part. There we are. Bring this down. Yeah, there we go. Now let's make the hook part and it'll be done. There we go. Just going to bend this right around. Let's make sure that they're relatively close. Almost. Go. Almost. That's not too bad. I think that's good enough for me. It's about 1/4 inch. Yeah. Just a little bit long. But there we go. Yeah, there we go. I mean, it'll do the job. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to heat this up. We're going to quench it in the oil, wire brush it, and we'll be done. There we go. That's this nasty old oil. Probably 90% canola, a little bit of olive oil in there as well. And what that will do is, since it's so old and nasty, I can't quench knives in it anymore, so this doesn't do a very good job. So, but it does leave a nice black coating over the steel, and that gives it some sort of a weather protectant, which is what I need for out here in an open air shop. Anyway, I'm going to let this cool. We're going to wire brush it off, and I'll be back when it's done. Alright, here we go. Second hook. A little different. I didn't calculate the steel I'd need or anything like that, but I mean, that's what they look like. The insides, when they'll hang, will be down there at the base, so we'll be pretty close. It'll work for what I need it to, which is I'm just going to hang this up on the rafters, and there's going to be some bars of steel like so. That's going to hang between them. That's all I need it for, is just to hold that. Just like that. Alright, well anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day. Go out there and see what you can create. Take it easy.